UEI's programming options just got more flexible. Our rugged, reliable hardware works with a range of popular programming languages, which now includes Python. This means you can combine UEI's wide array of data acquisition and control solutions with the benefits of programming in Python. And for added versatility, the Python API works across both networked platforms and on our standalone embedded UEIPAC. With a wide assortment of programming languages and packages available, you can select the approach best suited to your application. Questions? Email us, give us a call, and we will absolutely support you.